My car, every once in a while when I would hit the brakes, it would almost seem like there was no brakes. Like the pedal would go down farther than normal. And I was like, well, maybe the rear brake cylinders are worn out or the brake shoes are worn out. So I replaced the brake shoes and it seemed to help. But it still seemed off a little, like the brakes weren't as strong as they should be. So I was thinking to myself, well, maybe the brake booster or the master cylinder is bad. So I said, well, the master cylinder looked like had a little bit of leaking, between the booster. So I figured I'll replace both of them. So I replaced the booster and the master cylinder. And the brakes still did not work. They were doing the exact same thing. Literally, like when I would step on the pedal, it would just basically go to the floor. The brakes did work slightly, but there was just no pressure. So the final thing to do was to replace the front brake calipers, and that solved the problem. It was basically the front brake calipers were, I don't know, they were sticking inside, or there was some problem inside. I think it might have just been one of them, but I replaced both of them. But they did appear to be working when I was, checking them. When I'd step on the pedal to see if they were moving in and out. But apparently, they just were all worn out inside.